Lucas, come on. Come on. Look at, he's watching TV. Come here. Come on.
What's Mama doing over there?
Look at. Look at what I got.
What are you doing, Mama?
Oh, what's that? Oh.
I think it's like used to his footing with you're wearing something, you know?
Yeah.
No, you can't. Don't.
I should have just put those pants on him. He's like, nah, I want to play with that.
Whoa! Lose your diapers, bud. Lose your diapers.
Come here. Maybe if we bring the diapers over here, he'll want to come. Here's Gorak. Hi, Gorak. Oh, wait, here, bring him back.
There they are. Go get them.
Lucas! Lucas! Look at Mama! Look at Mama! Lucas J! Lucas J!
Ready? Go see Mama.
Come here.
Boom.
Come on! Come on! Like, I hear that toy. Come on, Bubbers.